Hey everyone, we have this equation today. 3 plus 6 over 2 multiplication, open parenthesis, 1 plus 2, close parenthesis, okay? Maybe you solve like that. 3 plus, you can also write it 6 divided by 2. Yes? Is that true? Please comment. Multiplication, open parenthesis, 1 plus 2, close parenthesis. And then the parenthesis first, yes? 1 plus 2 equals 3. And 2 times 3 gives us 6. Now we have 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. And finally, 3 plus 1 gives us 4. But this answer is not correct. Okay. Remember, you have to follow the PEMDAS rule. Okay? First, parenthesis. Then exponent. After that, multiplication and division. They are on the same level. After that, addition and subtraction. They are also on the same level. So, when you have both, you solve them from left to right. Okay? Now, we have parentheses, okay? It's first. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now, we have a division and multiplication. So, you have to left to right, okay? Division is the first. So, 6 over 2 or 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Now, we have 3 plus 3 times 3. Okay? Now we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is first. So 3 times 3 gives us 9, and 3 plus 9 equals 12. So the answer is 12.